Using Wave app with your friends for watching Netflix is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can use Rave application to watch Netflix movies with your friends. So for that, as you can see, I will go to Rave application. Now in the Reverend application you will have to log in to your account. First app login into your account, you will see this page. Now here either your friend or you both need to have Netflix in order to watch movies at the Netflix. So if your friends already have credit the channel, you will easily be able to search it right here. There are some ways you can do that. So in order to start your own channel, you just have to tap on this plus icon, and then you have to tap on this Netflix account app, log into your Netflix account. You will see an option for stream whatever the movie that you want to stream. Just have to select that, and then you will see movie room or room number, which you can share with your friends, which he can use to join your room. So that's pretty much it. That's how you guys can do it. Hope you guys find this way up for